All right, again.
You ready? Okay.
Yeah.
When changing this filter, you want to make sure you isolate this by turning this off, turning this off. After you turn both of these off, you press this red button to release the pressure.
Gotcha.
Water's going to come off the top of it. Make sure you put a bucket or something under here.
Okay.
After you've released the pressure, all you would have to do, sir, is with your finger on this, take this and just
Turn it.
push it this way. Actually, after you release the pressure, don't worry about that. Just because this is kind of hanging the way it is, kind of hold it like this, and then with this hand, lean in with your chest. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And push towards the wall with your whole body, holding it straight, and then pushing it, and
Okay.
then it'll just move.
Okay. So it's not gonna mess up your piping here? or
No.
whatever?
That's the whole purpose of doing this.
Okay.
Holding this.
Okay.
Is you want to support it.
Okay.
Because of the way that I had to hang it, the only place I
Alright.
had to hang it. So, and that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have these two things up here just to give it a little bit of a,
A lift.
yeah, a little bit of a lift, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just make
Yeah.
sure this is all like
And
sturdy and
Yeah,
stuff.
it is sturdy, but you may want to come behind here and just throw a couple more nails in here if you want.
Okay. Okay. I'll screw something
Yeah,
in there.
or a nice long screw.
Gotcha.
That'll make that nice and secure.
Okay.
This is bolted down with 3, so this is good.
Okay.
This is good.
How about over here? Do we need to be concerned about the meter here or whatever?
Well, it's going to clean itself every 1,500 gallons.
Okay.
Every 1,500. So with 5 people in the house, that's probably going to be around once a week. It's going to clean itself, which is great.
Okay. So I don't need to like play around with the
No,
buttons
sir,
there.
not
Okay.
at all. If you wanted to go through here, the menu, you just hit the down arrow, and then there's a menu here. The only thing you really want to be concerned about if you have to maybe set the date or the time, and it's right there.
What's the bypass mode that
This
he
is
was
the
talking about?
bypass.
That one.
If you wanted to bypass the softener for whatever reason, you would just screw this all the way in. Yep.
Okay.
All the way in.
All the way in. Okay.
Bypasses
Gotcha.
it. Yep.
All right.
Yes,
But
sir.
it doesn't bypass this, only that one.
Only this. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. Pretty
This is
simple,
always
huh?
good.
Yeah.
Yep, pretty simple.